Yes. Walang boses kasi gabi na guys. So walang boses yung good morning ko. Kaya si Rastaman na lang mag-good morning sa inyo. Rastaman, pasok!
Good morning world, and thank you for today. I'm ready for whatever, no, yeah.
Today is April 23rd. It's already 11:43 p.m. I just got home from work. For today's vlog, ano siya, hiwa-hiwala yung mga vlog ko. So, random vlog lang siya. So, hope you guys pasensyahan nyo na tong vlog na to. I don't know if I can make a story or what, but I just wanna share what happened. Hindi ko na natandaan yung mga araw na yun, pero yun, isi-share ko pa rin sa inyo lahat ng mga nangyari. So yun, so isi-share ko na lang sa inyo kung anong mga nangyayari yung mga nakaraang araw. So ito na, it's paano ba ito? I-rewind ko. Rewind. Hello, what's up everybody? Good morning, good morning. I have a surprise for you guys. It's not summer yet. Look at outside. See? Back to winter again. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. See that? See that? It's crazy, eh? Tingnan niyo yung panahon dito, guys. This is Alberta. Always 4 seasons dito kasi. Yeah. Good morning, guys. Ay, medyo masilaw. See? Snow pa rin. It's April 14, 2017, 11 a.m. and I'm going to work. But look at the road. Malinis na yung road dito, pero sa gilid ano na tawag nito, may snow pa rin. Ano yun? Ano na yung natawag na snow? Morning snow. Yeah. Snow. Snow na itawag ka na eh. Tugnaw kayo.
Tugnaw kayo, tapos uwak dito.
Itong uwak ko. Itong uwak, lipay kayo kaya nakakitag snow. Na snow. Pag abot sa imong kamot, tunaw na. Tunaw na, himo na siyang tubig. Sunod na ta, tugnaw na. Hello guys, good morning. I'm going to church now. Kaya magsimba tayo. Let's go to church. I haven't been to church for a month, I think, 2 weeks. Ito ako sa church ngayon. It's Sunday. It's what's the day? It's Easter Sunday today, and I'm day off. So it's praise and worship day.
I'm doing Bullwinkle.
It's weird, but I thought if I feel like it, after we do the wind up of that.
Burger. So we're here at ano to? A&W in church is done, so that's it. Lunch time, guys. Kain muna. Start to go home. Go home. Ramada, ang laki ng hotel. Ramada Hotel. Brrr. Malamig konti. Malamig.
Mapa-Walmart kami. Si Pintong.
Sa ati siya sila ito ni panawag.
21 Street. Agto ka din sa may ano bla.
Sa Walmart, ano ba doon na?
Agto ka din sa Walmart ah.
update. Today is Sunday, April 16, 4:39 p.m. So it's Easter Sunday, guys. So punta kami sa bahay nila auntie kasi may munting salo-salo dun. So Easter celebration. So let's go. Punta tayo sa bahay nila auntie. At nandito na kami sa bahay nila auntie. At nandito na kami, guys. Guys. Ito na kami sa bahay nila. Hey Granny. How are you?
Good, and you?
Say hi. Happy Easter, Ling.
Happy Easter.
Hey Grandpa.
What's going on? Good.
How are you?
Good. Hey, you look the same. Oh, you had Oh.
Hello,
Hey, how's
Granny.
Granny.
How are you? How are you,
Grandpa?
Granny?
Granny.
Ano, look video. Oh, what
Granny.
video? Where's your wife?
Dito na kami.
Where's your wife?
Nak. Ay. Hindi nak eh.
Open man.
Ate,
Open man. Ano kaya?
ayan. We're here. My auntie, she's the cook.
Yeah.
She cook everything. All this.
No.
No?
Rochelle and
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter. Hello. Happy Easter.
Taas ang iro mo rin, diba?
Doon ba na Benji?
Please, ayaw mo rin yung mo.
Potato na guys. KBL. It's a brand new discovery. Wow. Yan. Hindi ka nagkuha ng ka. Matay wise no fresh na ka. I don't look pa yun.
Kailan tayo? Sit guys. Roast beef. Broccoli. Broccoli salad. Tapos ng kain, take out. Take out na. Hello everybody, this is my cousin Marie, and you gotta say Happy Easter to them. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
So ayun na, yun ang mga nangyari sa mga nakaraang araw. So hopefully supportahan nyo pa rin ako ng mga susunod ko na mga video. So tutok lang kasi may plano akong gagawa ko ng video about shoutout. Lahat ng nakasubscribe sa akin sa shoutout ko, hindi lahat dun. Gagawa ko ng isang video mismo na shoutout ng lahat. So please sana supportan, sana panoorin nyo yun. At alam ko pinapanood naman yung video ko. So maraming salamat talaga sa lahat. Currently we're in 648 subscribers at malapit nang ma-reach yung 10,000 views na limit ng bago ma-monetize yung YouTube, yung mga video mo bago ma-monetize. So we're almost there, guys. Anyway, we're just having fun anyway. So yun. So sa hindi pa nakasubscribe sa akin, please subscribe at click subscribe and please share this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. Maraming salamat. At dito ko natatapusin ang vlog. In
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.